Hi, good morning, friends. Good morning, Spiro.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Panayota. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm in a hangover after my birthday and have lots of things to reflect upon.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It was your birthday yesterday, and you told me you did so many stuff, so many things.
Yeah, I got inspired by a workshop I ran the past month to design my perfect day and treat myself as a gift. Things that I usually don't give, I don't allow myself to do. For example, to go for a massage, to go for a yoga session, or to go have dinner out, like something that's not very usual. And it was really nice. And I found myself towards the end of the day to realize maybe, I overdid it this time, as usual. So I think I should have planned less, to be honest.
Hmm. Okay, so you try to put everything in one day for your special day, and then you realize it was too much, maybe.
Yes, I guess I needed a special week,
No, or a special month.
a special month. Yeah, like a few more days, I would say, to plan and also have time between to rest and do nothing.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. So, what did you do when you realized it was too much for one day?
I did various things. So I cooked with my husband. I went outside to draw in the nature. Then I wanted to pick up my kids from the camp, so I need to go and carpool the kids. And then later on, I did the massage, and after 2 hours, the yoga. So I think it was too many things back to back.
Hmm.
Although I had the best of intention, and then I just realized, hey, maybe I'm overdoing this, and it feels like I'm playing Jenga with all the nice things, and because I want to put them all on the same day.
Hmm.
How
Okay.
about you? Do you find yourself in this pattern from time to time?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, to be honest with you, I have an issue with time, and I feel pressure of time, and I always try to fit everything on the little slots that I have in my day. So I have. For today, for example, I have a list of things I wanted to do, and initially
Mhm.
it was just two things, two main tasks and projects I'm working on. And then I thought, okay, maybe I could also make some calls for my holidays. I could also put that there. Also, there was something else that I wanted to do, something I want to go out and buy. So now I have a list of 10 things. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's too much. And the problem for me with that is that if I don't prioritize this list, I tend to start with the most quick, easy task, and then like 2 hours pass, and then I have not haven't I haven't really started working on the most important thing.
Mm.
And I don't know if you know what Brian Tracy says, that eat the frog first thing in the morning. So since I started doing that, starting working on the most important project in the morning, when I do this, my day goes great. But when I have a list of other things and I don't really prioritize them, then my day actually goes wasted. But yeah, I
Is it
completely
true?
understand you.
Is it true?
When we sorry.
I said, is it true that the day is completely wasted?
Well, no, not completely wasted, but when I know that it's Wednesday and I have to start working on this project, and then I realize, okay, I have these other small chores I want to do, and then I start with them, then my energy is gone.
Mm.
After 1 2 hours, and I don't even have the motivation to start on the most important thing. So if I don't eat the frog, for me personally at least, if I don't eat the frog first thing in the morning, then I'm not eating it at all on that day. Um, yeah, so for me, to be honest with you, it's about prioritizing, and Yes, this is something I wanted to ask you. I mean, should we prioritize our special days, or what do you think?
Oh, wow. Thank you so much for sharing. I took some notes. I was inspired by what
Okay.
you said. But yes, I definitely, it's important to prioritize and plan and allow ourselves some time to be like in the environment we want to be, to do the things that give us joy. I think it's very important. Even to do it, even if you're not taking a whole day or a whole week, because it doesn't sound very realistic for most of us. It's very important to have to carve out some time to be um, daily, even if it's for 20 minutes, 10 minutes, to give ourselves a few minutes or some time to prioritize what's important to us rather than running around between tasks and chores.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, you started talking about prioritization, how we prioritize our projects, and what I want to share is what it matters to me in regards to if I have the list, like what is the difference I was thinking, but when I'm pursuing all the things on my list, and what's the difference when I say, oh, I didn't do them all, then I will, you know, blame myself and then say, hey, tomorrow it's another day. So I was thinking, like, what's the difference? How am I different when I'm pursuing all these tasks and when not? And for me, it's about my energy. So
Hmm.
I don't think it's we have time. We have 24 hours in our day, but also doesn't mean that we don't have time when we do the tasks. Maybe we don't have the energy we need to do the tasks.
Yes, yes, that's very, yeah, the energy is very crucial in our day. Yeah, but because it's exactly as you said, we have 24 hours, but maybe our energy is not that much. Maybe we are hunged over from yesterday, or very tired, or something.
Yes,
And today
yes,
our energy is lower, so we have to consider that when we prioritize or plan our day, or yeah, consider also the time we have and also the energy. That's very important.
yes. Because the time is here, but my energy fluctuates. So if my
Hmm.
energy is low than usual, it's important to adapt my mindset and my list and focus. For example, what is the one thing that would allow me some progress and respect my energy levels,
Hmm. Yeah.
or explore what's going on, like what affects my energy level.
Hmm. In order to
Maybe,
be able to fix it another time, or
yes,
to
to fix it or to see what I need, like how
yeah.
can I replenish my energy.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
what usually depletes our energy?
Well, I have two kids, and one is very, very small.
Hmm.
So not
There you go.
night sleep, not sleeping well in the night. For
Hmm.
me, it's one of the things that I don't have the energy the next day.
Yes.
But another thing that depletes my energy is when I'm not really doing the things that matters to me. When
Mm.
I don't know, I'm just a bit lazy, or I don't really work on that, then I feel my energy going down. Hmm. How about you? What drops your energy?
Definitely, there are many things that affect my energy. The sleep is very important one that I find myself feeling low when I'm not sleeping well at night. Also, I want to speak about our health, meaning our metabolic health, like our hormones, because I've been into a phase where I figure out that I was getting more fatigued than usual. So I explored. I did my blood work, and I found I went to the doctor because I want to actively take care of my health, and realized that my metabolic health is not ideal, and this affects a lot how much energy physically is on our body.
Yeah.
So having that, I think it's also very important. So, for example, if I find myself eating late at night, how it affects my sleep and how is my energy in the morning. And then based on this, say, for example, I will eat a bit earlier, and I will eat something that is not very heavy, for example, something low carb. It's about examining our energy, our environment, and then make small changes to support our energy levels.
Yes, yes. And now that you move to the physical sphere of the energy, I wanted to mention something that I've noticed. I mean, it's not something new, but when I have low energy in the morning and I do some cardio or some short exercise, like 5 minutes, then my energy is up, and I'm trying to use this now. You know, when I feel that my energy is low, I don't have to exercise for 30 minutes or 1 hour, just for 5 minutes. That 5 minutes for me is enough. And then I'm more motivated, I'm more energetic, and I'm eager to start my day. So it's definitely about our sleep. It's definitely about what we eat, but it's also definitely about exercising our body, not just sitting on a chair in front of a laptop
All
the
day.
whole day. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
movement is a great way to replenish our energy,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
especially if it's especially if it's outdoors. To just breathe some fresh
Yes.
air as well. If you're in a park, it can
Hmm.
do magic for the mood, for the energy, and for the positive outlook in life.
Hmm. And I've realized that sometimes when my day is pressed and I don't have a lot of time, when I take 30 minutes and I go out for a walk, I change, the scenery. I just see some trees outside. I move my body walking. These 30 minutes make the rest of my day much more productive, and then I'm able to complete almost all of my to-do items. Even when I'm thinking before, okay, 30 minutes, I really need these 30 minutes to complete this. But even having this kind of break gives us more gives us more the headspace, I guess, to focus on the rest of the tasks and projects we are working on that day.
Absolutely. And this is happening because the energy is in the whole body. So we
Yeah.
might think, like intellectually, I will go and do the tasks, but we're not just a head, a walking head. We have
Yeah.
the whole body. So the body, the physiology of the body affects the hormones, and this affects also our thoughts. So if we move a bit, we might find ourselves having like more ideas or more thoughts or seeing things from a different perspective, even if it's just walking to the balcony or walking around the block.
Yeah. And now that we're talking about this, although I feel kind of energetic today, I'm okay. I had a good night's sleep. After this recording, I'm gonna go for a walk for 30 minutes just to clear my head, and then come back to start working on my day.
Great. And if I recommend one thing as a small practice, when we're coming back to our workspace, it's about taking a moment to connect with maybe find a gesture or something in the body that connects us with what matters to us the most. And doing like a mindset reset, like a small reset, saying, hey, this is important to me. Now I'm going to focus on this.
Yeah, yeah. I really like that, and I think that's also good when we change from project to project to do this mindset reset, as you said, in order to focus on the new task, on the new thing that we're gonna work. Thank you. Thanks for reminding me this, Panayota, because the thing is that I'm actually doing it, but not all the time.
So how can we remind ourselves to do it more consistently?
Say it again.
How can we remind ourselves to do it more consistently? This mindset reset.
For me, is when I finish a task, just to go to the kitchen to drink some water, to just move a little bit around if I cannot go out. And when I come back, this movement and this yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to remind myself. I guess it's more like a habitual thing, like a habit, in order to do it automatically. So I guess I'm just gonna put a post-it over there in front of me and says, okay, mindset reset. Do you have any other suggestions?
Yeah, maybe having the word, and then when you are awake, when you're standing up and doing your mini break between working slots, I think it's important also to find like a movement, like a posture or something that would you can symbolize this mindset reset with you. Maybe a small
Yeah,
movement of the shoulders, maybe I don't know, one jump, something like that, or
yeah,
a
yeah,
hug,
yeah, definitely. Yeah,
something
something.
physical.
Yeah,
Like, yeah,
something.
yes, let's do this.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
they
yeah, and
or
yeah,
the hand on the heart.
yeah, and that will be personal to each one of
To
us. I
you,
mean,
each one of
does
us,
not have to
yes.
be, the same for everyone. Yeah. Okay. Super.
Thank you so
And
much, Spiro. Thank you, everyone.
thank you for this insightful and interesting conversation about, planning energy and Jenga and everything. Thank you, Panayota.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.